today we're gonna plant some flowers. So here's our two flowers that we're gonna plant. This is the one that I'm gonna plant. This is the one that my brother's gonna plant. So far we got our dirt in there in 3 holes.
And we dig the 3 holes that we're gonna put the seeds in.
So we're gonna put the seeds in just a second. And let's get started. So I'll cut mine open. Walker cuts his open. Whoa, they're pretty tiny. They're very tiny.
Okay. So Piper, get this many seeds, about this many seeds.
About this many?
Yep.
Okay.
And you're gonna put them all in 1 hole. As soon as you put them in 1 hole, you cover up the hole. And you don't flatten it out. You just keep it how it is. Then you do that exact same thing to every single hole. Then make sure that you used almost all.
How many holes did you make?
3.
3 holes. So you put the seeds in and cover it up gently.
And make sure that you made all 3, and you put enough seeds in.
All my seeds are falling out of my hand.
How many seeds in each hole?
4, 5, 6, around that.
Okay.
If you're using like
Oh,
20
no!
seeds, probably like 10 to 11.
No, all the seeds fell down.
Oh no. I'm
And-
sure there's some left in your packet. That's
No,
okay.
There's not.
Oh.
I was trying to pick them up off the floor.
Then
Well,
you
happens
should
sometimes.
have most of all the seeds covered, besides like maybe 2 that could be out on the outside. You want to make sure that you have all the holes covered, and then you're done. You wait for them
No, you have
to
to
grow.
water them.
True. And you'll wait for them to grow, and you'll water them, and it will be about a week or 2 before there's sprouts.
Oh.
And I already have one planted inside right now, and I did it
At school.
a couple days ago.
At school.
Actually, like 2 weeks ago.
You want to
And
show
has
it?
Sprouts. Yeah, I'll go get it.
I'm just getting my seeds. So sometimes the seeds could grow, and so there's different kinds of flowers that you can plant. You have to go to a store to get them basically, and then you put dirt in and plant them. Yeah.
The seeds blew away.
Well, at least Walker is done.
That's true. Are you done?
Yeah.
Might be a little too windy for seed planting.
Look at all of the seeds that are all over there.
Maybe we'll grow flowers on our deck. What do you think?
No.
I'm
Oh.
back, and I got my plant. It has about
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprouts. And this plant's a little messed up because I messed up 2 seeds. It's growing the seeds out.
And you can see that one right there, the oranges. growing.
And the center one that's gonna have the main flowers is this one right here. It's the tallest one. And this is my only plant that's in small. We're gonna make it in a bigger pot soon, and it will grow giant to a big plant.
What kind of plant?
I don't know what plant it is.
All I know is that it's gonna be orange.
Yeah,
Orange plant.
Flower, it's gonna be orange.
It might be oranges. It might be
Orange.
orange flowers. You never know.
Oranges are a tree.
It's not on an orange.
Unless you
Piper.
grow a tree. All right.
And yeah, but we used a different kind of dirt.
Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Comment down below and subscribe.